21, it is on the age of 21.
Alright guys, hey, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone who love learning languages. Love it as me. And this is my day number 5 when I'm trying to get fluent in English, to speak as much as possible every single day, to dedicate all my free time, that's without any doubts, only to learning, acquiring the language. Because learning and acquiring, that's how I already know. It's a bit different. Yeah. Today's video, I just wanna again share with you my expression about what was going on today at the university. A lot of things like I wanna try to describe everything in English. This is my daily English speaking practice. So if you learn any language, or girls, you I suppose you have to understand that how important speaking is, especially doing it in the camera. Yeah, I saw on YouTube that talking to the camera, just recording yourself, literally 3 minutes a day, is gonna help you a lot. Russian milk, просто квашено. That's fantastic, you know. I'm gonna be honest, today I've already got enough speaking practice. Yeah, no doubts, because first of all, we got English class at university when we speak a lot, when I speak every time, literally, yeah. Only discussion with the partners in different topics, and that today in the English class we saw a video. This video was filmed by our teacher, Manhattan, you know, Times Square. Our teacher was in Times Square and he filmed it. Bro, that's my dream to visit this place. Actually, a lot of people, a lot of this advertisement that's everywhere around, and skyscrapers. Moreover, the second event today, it was English speaking club. Yeah, I didn't film it. I will film it in the future, this vlog for sure. And in this speaking club, all the students from university who love learning English, it can be even Russian students, even foreigners. We just gather in some place and discuss any topic what will be suggested. We have a fun time. No any official procedures, you know. Only have a fun atmosphere because we are friends. No teachers. No. That's not about English speaking club. Next week is gonna be Spanish speaking club. I will go. I will. Because these speaking clubs, I would say, it's an inalienable part of acquiring the language when you can talk to native speakers. My roommate here. Yes, sir, that's my roommate, Sonia. You wanna see Sonia? All right. How you doing? Why are you so crazy every single time when you're in the camera, bro? Can you be kind or to feel? Yes?
Yes. No problem, bro. Of course.
I was filming a video, and I'm still filming this video about my day. Just sharing my experience. You know. Try to share your experience. Right now. Your experience about today's days. Yeah.
Methods, maths, physics. It's very good subject in our university because the teacher so crazy. Teacher ask us about
math.
Shawarma in Shamburskaya metro station.
About boxing.
About boxing.
Yeah?
Yes.
How was it? Me too. I was doing the box here.
I'm not.
No, you didn't go.
Yes, because train. No.
It was cancelled.
Yes.
Yeah, I heard that our coach, Rashid, was ill.
Oh,
illness.
I understand. Illness, I'm sick.
Yeah, a bit sick.
A bit sick.
A little bit about Sunny's day. Sunny's day. Yeah, we tired extremely. Look at him. Just you see this? You see this? What university can do with people? Just we normal guys, but university literally can destroy our lives, yes, and our mental health. Yeah.
Yes.
That's not appropriate at all. Like after university, you wanna just drink a milk. You want a milk? You want a milk? You want a milk?
No.
Where did you get it? Where did you get it?
Where?
Just milk and write this book in absolute silence. Milkshake. Oh, can I try it? Can I try it with banana? You don't wanna talk to anyone. You don't wanna do only learn English.
Some bread.
Watch film, movies, and bread. For sure, bread. What else?
Some apples.
Apples. Banana.
That's all, and it's my dinner. So tasty. Chicken котлета. In sauce.
And poltavskaya oatmeal.
Poltavskaya oatmeal. If you don't know what is it, we also don't know what is Poltavskaya.
Nobody knows. Is it filming still? I hope so, yes. Oh, I was talking about yesterday I was starting reading this book. Yes, I was already told you around the world in a days, and completely another script. Yeah, in a series what I watched, it was another story. It was like more interested, honestly. This book, this also great, yeah, great practice English, but that's absolutely like not in this in the series. Would you like to know about students' life in America? Today I got a new subscriber from Bangladesh. Bangladesh, yeah. Armenia here. Here.
Armenia?
They've watched Armenia. I showed them our flag. I showed. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for being here and watching our crazy stories, just without logical, absolutely, just total improvisation. S?
Можно жопу показать?
Давай. Им. YouTube will ban my channel.
Okay.
All right, that's an appropriate content. See you guys. Bye.